Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys the tips and tricks on how to adjust your push pin style for your watch link. So as you can see, I got my wife's Michael Kors watch right here, and that's her extra link that we removed. So we're gonna go over a tutorial real quick. There are like 3 different methods that you can use without any special tools. First of all, if you want, you can also go to your 99-cent store and just grab a tool set like mine. But you got to be sure to make sure you have like a needle pointed tools like this. So this one's pretty sharp, okay? So this is not a special watch repair or tools that you need, okay? Or then the second method would be this thumbtack. You should have this lying anywhere around your house, okay? Then the third method would be your SIM card tool. This is iPhone, Apple iPhone tools. So first of all, before you remove your watch link, you want to go ahead and inspect it on the inner part. This is the shiny, is the outer part of your watch link. And you're going to be sure to zoom in. As you can see, the arrow is showing to point outward, okay? Right there, there's the arrow. It's pointed outward. That means you gotta push your pin going from this side to that side. So let's go ahead and get it started. You want to have some kind of foam. Let me just get this thing out real quick. I've got a small piece of this foam so I can sit on the bottom, okay? So I can push out the pin out correctly. You could also do this on your carpet. So I got my carpet right here as well too. I could just push in like that. So that means I'm gonna push off on the top because the arrow is pointed downward. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. So just give it a little push and then it go through this foam. If you want to do that, you can also do it on your carpet as well. So as you can see, the pin come out like that already. Once you remove this pin, you gotta make sure it's going in the same way. As you can see right here, on the right hand side, it is very smooth. And on the left hand side, you got this like a split. Okay. So maybe some other brand will be different. So you gotta be sure whatever you take it out from, you gotta go in the same direction, or else you're gonna mess up this pin and you might get stuck. And so if you want to push in, make sure you push in with like a flat surface on your tool or your back of your thumb tag. But when you push in, you make sure you gotta have like a hard surface. and then that's it. But as you can see, it is not smooth. You can also use this side to push in further. Okay, and then that's it. As you can see, it's going nicely. Oh, if you push too much, this side is sticking out, so you gotta be sure you kind of play around a little bit. So that should be good. Okay, so I show you guys on how to use this thumb tag. You could also use it with your SIM card tool. Just push enough pressure and it's coming out again. Okay, so it is smooth. I didn't push it hard enough earlier, so now it's like flush. And you could also use this one, the pointed nose screw, or this tool right here. So you might have to use a plier since this tool is not long enough. Only give you a little tip right there to push it out only. All right. Then you need like a plier to pull this out, or just use this to push out completely. So it's come out like that. All right. So hopefully this special tip will help you guys adjust any of this pin style for your watch band links. So it is very smooth. So this thumb tag is pretty useful. Okay, you push this in, push this pin out, and then you can use this flat head and push back in. As simple as that. Unless your pin is very it's hard to push in. I use it for my tag heuer. As you can see, mine is a push pin style as well. Okay. But somehow on this one, it does not show me which direction to push in and out. So I forgot how I did it last time, but I use this. You could also buy this special tool. I got this on eBay for only like a couple bucks, so in case you need to go a step further, this is for you to push in and push out by just screwing this in and out. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching, and then hopefully you like this tutorial. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notification, guys, so whenever I drop new and latest video, you get one missed out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.